Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. Today I am going to show you a simple and very inexpensive way to decorate your table for a very beautiful farmhouse style tablescape. So this little runner here is not really a runner, it's just kind of like a burlap fabric that I got on clearance last year at Walmart. At the end of the season, it was past Christmas. It was half off. I don't know how much we paid, but I promise you it was not much because it was so discounted. So I used that as the runner. These jars I painted several months ago, and I did get a lot of heat from some viewers, but I am reusing them here for my tablescape. I'm just placing them there in the middle. And this greenery I had since summer. I used it in my summer decorations, but I thought I'd add to the greenery these little picks. Now I don't know what kind of picks these are, but to me they look like evergreens. So I placed them here to give them a little bit more fullness and that greenery or evergreen kind of touch to them. I am adding these berries. Now, these berries I borrowed from my Christmas tree. I just went there and I grabbed a few, actually 3, from the tree. Again, just borrowing them for the tablescape here and placing them to add a little bit of that gray or red touch to it. These little houses I also borrowed, but I borrowed them from my mantle. Again, I just like to reuse what I already have at home to keep it inexpensive. And you know, a tablescape, at least in my home, it doesn't stay like this every day. This would just be an example of what I would do for a formal Christmas kind of dinner. And so I borrowed these items, some of these items from my already decor, and then I'll put them back. Now this garland is from the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to place around the decorations. This was the hardest part, is to manipulate this garland to fit around the jars and the little houses here, but eventually I got it to work. These little ornament balls I actually DIY'd in one of my Christmas DIY videos, and so I just took 3 of them and I am placing them there as well. These plates, if you watched my Thanksgiving tablescape, I also used them on my tablescape for Thanksgiving. I got them at the Dollar Tree a very long time ago, so they were only $1. And the same with these bowls I got at the Dollar Tree, again for $1 a long time ago, and I'm just placing them here. For the silverware, I'm keeping it simple and I'm just using little pieces of that Dollar Tree garland, and I'm going to wrap it around, and that is it. I think that looks super cute and super simple. I like simplicity. I like things that just does not look too cluttered, especially in a table this small. And there you have it, guys. I think it looks Christmassy, has a farmhouse feel to it with the distressed jars and the burlap, and I just love it. I love the white. White is my favorite color to decorate with, and so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gives you some ideas that to use what you already have at home, use borrowed decorations from other places in your home, and enjoy a beautiful tablescape without having to spend a lot of money. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, as always, I invite you to do so. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I hope to see you soon. Have a Merry Christmas.